Cebu. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah!
I hear you guys. Are you guys having fun? Okay, I dedicate this to all of us for filling our heart. And alam naman